That's right. Jonathan Hearn took the stand again today in Sabrina Limon's trial, explaining the planning and motives behind Robert Limon's death and the thought process in choosing death over divorce.
Losing her would essentially kill him.
Discussions of how to take Robert Limon out of the picture so that Sabrina and Hearn could be together. New details in the courtroom today showing how those plans came to fruition.
Her frustrations with Rob became my frustrations. Her demons became my demons. I had a frank disgust for him that was developing.
Hearn writing in a note, "Please kill him, God," during his frustration.
As ironic and sad as this sounds, for Rob's sake, she expressed that he would honestly rather be dead than divorced.
Divorce was discarded as an option. Both Sabrina and Hearn bought burner phones to avoid detection. That's when the darker conversations began. Around April 2014, she was telling Hearn to kill her husband, a plot they worked on together.
I planned to confront Rob directly in Tehachapi.
She kept him informed of his schedule, eventually telling Hearn of his day shift in the Tehachapi office on August 17th. Hearn spent the day preparing and went on his motorcycle.
I was definitely armed to kill him. However, I wasn't sure of if I'd do that or not.
An opportunity presented itself and he acted, shooting Robert and staging a robbery in the BNSF office before shooting him a second time and fleeing.
I really didn't want to leave him if he wasn't entirely dead. So I went back around the backside of the truck and quickly fired one more shot at him.
Now describing his emotions today in court.
Immediately leaving, probably fear, regret. Later on, that produced more just a feeling, and I'm sorry this sounds bad, but of relief.
An action he could not undo, and one less obstacle standing in the way of his life with Sabrina.
Hearn said he was burdened by his actions in the days following the shooting. Months went by between the time of the murder and Hearn's arrest. Coming up at 6, we'll have a more in-depth look at the weeks leading up to Hearn's arrest and the conversations he had with Sabrina. For now in the Live Center, Chloe Nordquist, 23 ABC.